You know, Pops just doesn't get it. He doesn't understand me at all. He doesn't realize that I got skills. I'm a fabricator. I do all this stuff. I make everything. He's just always bouncing around the shop and kicking boxes and being mean to me.
I'll tell you a couple of reasons why I'm so mad at Junior. Junior doesn't respect any of the ideas that I have about how this motorcycle world should be and how I think that he should be in it. We've spent 10 years building this castle. And that little he just won't even respect the tapestry.
Why are you always blowing up my phone, Dad?
You know what time it is?
Hell yeah, I know what time it is. I just got through watching the Flintstones.
Oh, listen, you've got a contract with this company that says you have to be here at such and such time, and you're not. You think you're better than everyone. I mean, it's a quarter till 5 in the morning, and you're just now rolling in.
You think this stuff gets built by itself? Who the you think builds it?
No, damn sure ain't you building it.
I'm building everything. I keep the crew going. I do everything around here. I move these riches.
Ah!
God, you, Dad. I'm out of here.
This is don't need you. We never did.
I'm out of here.
Why don't you just leave? You're terminated.
You, Dad. I'm going to work for Gas Monkey, and your dagger tattoo looks like a penis.
Damn children! So his mother's not going to be real happy that we're not close anymore, but you know, he's growing up, he's not my baby boy anymore, he's got some ideas, and one of them is not showing up for work on time.
I love Richard Rawlings. He's awesome.